I'm Olivia Gathright from CVent's localization team, and today I'm going to talk about recycling. If you've been confused about what kind of items you can or cannot put in recycling, fear not, I'm here to help. Simply speaking, these 5 materials can usually be recycled regardless of where you are in the world. Paper, which should be unshredded, cardboard, which should be free of food residue, metal cans such as soda cans, hard plastic like plastic water bottles, and finally glass containers. These materials, however, should never be placed in the recycling bin since they can contaminate recyclables, which means that everything in the bin will be sent straight to the landfill. Food, hazardous materials, styrofoam, electronics and batteries, plastic bags and wrappers, yard waste, diapers, soiled paper, clothing or shoes, tools, toys, and finally construction or medical waste. Instead, you can try this. Donate clothes, shoes, unbroken tools, and toys. Maybe look into composting for your food waste and yard waste. And finally, research other ways to safely dispose of materials in your area. Your local sorting facility can probably recycle things like electronics, batteries, some hazardous materials like paint or specific chemicals, and construction and medical waste. It's important to keep plastic bags out of the recycling bin because they can ruin recycling facility equipment. This can be an expensive and time-consuming issue to fix. One way to keep plastic bags out of landfills or the environment is to take them to a store or a restaurant that participates in a plastic bag reuse program, or simply BYOB, bring your own bag. You can bring reusable bags to other places besides grocery stores, so don't feel afraid to break them out. Nope. Are you ready to level up? There's more to living a sustainable lifestyle than just recycling. Here are some ways you can take it even further. Try donating or regifting things that are still in good condition. Repair broken items or learn how to sew so you can fix your torn clothes. Maybe look into thrifting when you want to buy something. Share or borrow something that you might need temporarily. DIY or do it yourself. Try composting, which can even be done from an apartment. Look into growing a garden or get involved in your local community. If you want to learn more or get involved, check out the Green Grouplet at grouplet-green on Slack. Recycling is a complex issue. It's helpful to do a little more research, but now you have a good basis to start doing better. But you now have a good base to start being a better recycler. Happy Earth Week!